Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how we gather eggs from the hens on the farm. Usually the hens lay eggs in different places. Some hens like to lay eggs on the tree stump. Other hens like to lay their eggs in the bushes. We just gather the eggs like this from the hen's nest. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.